In this video I will show you how to create a long shadow effect in Adobe Photoshop. Go to Type tool. Change this color. Type your text. Adjust the text. Select the text layer. Right-click and choose Select Pixels. Hide the text layer. Select the background layer. Go to Adjustment layer and choose Solid Color. Choose the black color and press OK. Right-click and choose Convert to Smart Object. Press Ctrl-T, rotate the text. Alt-press right side arrow pressing copies. Shift-press Alt select the copy layer. Right-click and choose Convert to Smart Object. Unhide the text layer. Adjust the shadow text layer. Change the blending mode to multiply. Add a mask. Go to Gradient tool. Add a gradient. Press Ctrl-I to invert. That's it. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more tutorials.